Welcome to AITV News. Today we're breaking down a major court ruling that affects schools and universities across the United States. A federal judge has permanently blocked the Education Department's guidance aimed at curbing diversity, equity, and inclusion programs. Here's what happened. On Thursday, August 14th, U.S. District Judge Stephanie Gallagher of Maryland declared the department's directives unlawful and unconstitutional, forbidding the agency from enforcing them. The guidance had threatened to pull federal funding from schools that used race-conscious practices. Judge Gallagher, notably appointed by President Donald Trump, found the department had overstepped its authority. To understand the ruling's impact, we need to look at the guidance itself. Earlier this year, the department issued two memos stating that almost any consideration of race, whether in admissions, financial aid, or classroom instruction, amounted to illegal discrimination. This interpretation stretched a 2023 Supreme Court decision that dealt only with college admissions. The department argued the broader ban was necessary to protect white and Asian American students and to prevent schools from teaching that the United States is built on systemic racism. The message was clear: comply or risk all federal funding. Educators and civil rights groups, including the American Federation of Teachers, sued. They argued the department was twisting civil rights law to censor educators and dismantle programs that help underrepresented students. Government lawyers countered that the memos were simply a reminder that discrimination is illegal. Judge Gallagher wasn't convinced. She wrote that the guidance was so vague educators couldn't tell what conduct was forbidden, violating the Constitution's demand for clarity. Far from a simple reminder, she said, it represented a sea change that made millions of educators reasonably fear punishment for lawful, even beneficial speech. She also noted the department skipped the formal notice and comment process before imposing a major policy shift. So, what happens now? Because the ruling is permanent, schools and universities may continue their diversity, equity, and inclusion programs without the immediate threat of losing federal money. Teachers can discuss topics like racial history and systemic inequality without wondering whether they're crossing an invisible line. Advocates called the decision an important victory with sweeping and positive impact. The Education Department expressed disappointment, but emphasized it still has tools to enforce anti-discrimination laws. This ruling is a significant setback for the administration's broader effort to reshape American education. It follows temporary blocks issued by 3 other federal judges in April, highlighting the legal challenges the policy has faced. For now, diversity programs remain protected, and the case stands as a reminder that federal agencies must follow clear, established procedures when attempting major changes to the law. That's the story for today. Thank you for watching AITV News.